today's class, we will see about equations. Let us see about equations in detail. So look at all these terms. So in 1 plus 1 equal to 4 minus 2, where 1 plus 1 gives 2, that is equal to 4 minus 2 also gives 2. So this is the answer. So look at the next one. We have a plus a, which gives us 2a, and 5a minus 3a also gives 2a. So that is the answer. So in the next one, we have 18 divided by 2, which gives us 9. That is equal to 3 multiplied with 3 also gives us 9. Here we have 2 multiplied with 3, which gives us 6. That is equal to 12 divided by 2 also gives us 6. And here 8b minus 3b gives us 5b. That is equal to 7b minus 2b also gives us 5b. So when we look at all the answers, both the sides are equal, which means equation can be defined as, consider the two sides. This one is called as an expression. And this one is called as an expression. So which means an equation contains two expressions having an equal to sign, which tells two expressions are equal to each other. Hence the definition of equation is given as, it is represented with two expressions which are equal to each other. Let us see with a diagrammatic explanation. So we have a scale which are balanced to each other. Here we have 3 boxes and 2 boxes. That is 3 big boxes and 2 small boxes. And in the other side we have 2 big boxes and 5 small boxes. Here we know the weight of the 2 small boxes. Weight of one small box is 1. Hence we write it as 1. Whereas the weight of the big boxes are not known. So we denote it as x. So now we have 3 x boxes and 2 small boxes with weight each one. And on the other side we have 2 x boxes and 5 small boxes with each weight of 1. So now look at the left side. We have 3 x boxes. So we write 3x added with 2 boxes, 2 small boxes whose weight are each 1. So 3x plus 2 is the first expression which is written in the left hand side. So in the right side we have 2x boxes where the weight are not known. So we write 2x plus 5 small boxes with each of weight 1. So we write 5. So now we have 2 expressions, both the sides, and we put the equal to sign denoting it as an equation. So now look at the left hand side. We have 3x plus 2. So let us bring all the x terms to one side and take all the numbers to the other side. So we have 3x in the left hand side, which is kept as it is, and we bring 2x, which is in the right hand side, to the left hand side. So 2x, which is on the other side with positive sign, when it comes the other side, it becomes negative. So it becomes minus 2x. That is equal to 5, which is in the right hand side, is kept as it is, and 2, which is in the left, comes to the other side and it is in plus form. So when it comes the other side, it becomes -2. So now we have the second step. So this is step 1 and this is step 2. In the third step, let us simplify. So 3x minus 2x will give us just x, which is 1x. And 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3, which means the weight of each big box is 3. So to find out whether what we have done is correct, to check the answer, we can substitute the value of x equal to 3 in the equation what we found in the step 1, which is 3x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 5. So value of x is equal to 3. Hence we substitute 3 in the place of x. We get 3 multiplied with 3 plus 2 equal to 2 multiplied with 3 plus 5. So 3 3s are gives us 9. Adding with 2, that is equal to 2 3s are gives us 6. Added with 5. So 9 plus 2 gives us 11. And similarly, the right side also gives us 6 plus 5, 11. Hence, the condition for equation is satisfied. So let us see about equations with two examples. So we have 5 multiplied with y minus 2 and 5 plus 2y. So this is one expression and this is one expression, and it is denoted with an equal to symbol. Hence, on the whole, it is called as an equation. So look at the first expression. We have 5 multiplied with y minus 2. Y minus 2 is inside the brackets. Hence, we have to multiply this 5 with each of the terms inside the bracket. Hence, we apply the distributive property. So where we distribute 5 with y, so 5 into y minus 2 is written as 5 multiplied with y gives us 5y minus 5 multiplied with 2 gives us 10. So in the right hand side we have 5 plus 2y. So now let us bring all the y terms to one side and the numbers to the other side. So we have 5y and we bring plus 2y, which is on the other side, to the left hand side. Hence the plus is converted into negative and 2y comes here, which is equal to 5 is kept as it is and 10, which is in left hand side with a negative symbol, comes on the other side and becomes positive 10. So we have 5y minus 2y, which is 3y, that is equal to 5 plus 10 gives us 15. And now 3 and y are in multiplication. So y is kept here and 3, when it is in multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So 15 divided by 3. Hence the answer is, simplifying we get 5. So y is equal to 5. To check whether the answer what we have got is right, we can substitute in the equation and check. So we substitute y equal to 5 in place of here. So 5 and y is also equal to 5. So we substitute 5 minus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 2 multiplied with 5. So where we get 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, that is equal to 5 plus 2 multiplied with 5 gives us 10. And 5 multiplied 3 gives us 15. 5 plus 10 also gives us 15. Hence the answer is right. So let us have a look at the second example also. Here we have both the expressions with 3 into x minus 4, where x minus 4 is inside the bracket, and even here we have 3x plus 4 inside the brackets. So we apply distributive property to both sides. So when we apply distributive property, we multiply 3 with each term inside the bracket. Hence we get 3 multiplied with x gives us 3x, and 3 multiplied with 4 gives us 12. And in the other side we have 9 multiplied with 3x gives us 27x. Plus 9 4s gives us 36. So now let us bring all the x terms to one side and all the numbers to the other side. So we have 3x minus 12, where we keep 3x here, and we bring 27 this side. So 27, which is in positive, when it comes to the other side, it becomes negative. And here 36 is kept. And minus 12, which is in negative, when it comes to the other side, it becomes positive. So 3x minus 27x equal to 36 plus 12. So 3x minus 27x. So here we have 3 is a small number, whereas minus 27 is a larger number. 27 is a larger number, and it has a minus symbol before it. So we put the minus symbol, and we subtract. 27 and minus 3 will give us 24x. That is equal to 36 plus 12 gives us 48. So now minus 24x is kept as it is. And we bring the 24 to the other side. Since it is in multiplication, it comes to the division, and the symbol is also carried to the other side. So we have x equal to 48 divided by minus 24, that is equal to minus 2. So in division, when both the numerator and denominator have a different symbols, it becomes negative, and we get x is equal to minus 2. To check the answer what we have got is right, we can again substitute in the equation. So we have 3, minus 2 and minus 4 gives us minus 6. 3 multiplied with minus 2 gives minus 6 and plus 4, where 3 and minus 6 gives 3 6 are minus 18, and here we have minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2, and that also gives us minus 18. So hence it satisfies the equation condition. So in today's class we saw about the basics of equations and the method to solve linear equations. Thank you.